Hi guys, I'm Dan, and today I'm gonna show you how to make mouth-watering cucumber salad. First of all, we're gonna wash the cucumber and peel off the skins. Then, remove the two ends and smash with a wide kitchen knife until the cucumber is well crushed. Then, cut it into 1-by pieces. After that, place the cucumber pieces in a bowl. Add 3 teaspoons salt and mix well. Moving to the next step, let's make the dressing. In a small bowl, combine minced garlic, ginger, scallions, 3 teaspoons chili flakes, 2 teaspoons sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 3 tablespoons boiling oil. One tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and scallions. Finally, add the dressing until the cucumbers are well coated, but not round. Taste and add more pepper flakes and garlic if needed. And don't forget to serve immediately. And if you like my video, please like the video, subscribe my channel, leave a comment below, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Love you.